Okay everyone, welcome to another video here on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. This time we talk about how you can make videos into a GIFs on iPhones, right? So let's say that you, I don't know, like recorded a video or whatever. So you just go to the camera and do whatever you need. And yeah, I'm just showing you a couple of videos about GIFs, but I'm going to show you how you can turn videos into GIFs. So for example, I have a very quick video of this dog right here. It's been done in the cinematic format. It looks nice, but I want to turn it into a GIF. The way I can do it is by downloading a third-party app. I unfortunately cannot do it by using the default apps, which isn't a problem. Basically, download this Live Converter app. This is what it looks like. You can literally just look it up inside of the App Store. Literally just go to the search and look up Live Converter. So you can see I just shared this app with me on a computer. So it is by this developer right here. So it's been like designed for iPhone and iPad, and this is what it looks like. It's actually live photo convert from this developer. So just look it up if you want to. And this app is really nice. I've been using it a lot. It offers a paid version as well. I'm currently on the free one, but perhaps I will upgrade. I don't know, based on how much I'll use the app. But basically, just look up and open up the app like this. It's going to show you ads, which is okay. Just continue to the app. And you are basically in the live photos and videos section. So we want to turn videos into GIFs. We don't have any GIFs right now in here as the section, which is okay. But let me just find the video which I wanted to convert. Here is the video right here. It's a little bit longer one. You probably, of course, not going to implement here or like put here a video which is like 30 minutes long, obviously. This one was just 8 seconds. The app like didn't handle it the best. That's probably because it was shot in the cinematic mode video. Okay, so it doesn't work with the video shot in a cinematic mode, but for all of the other videos, like basic regular ones, it should work well. So for example, so instead of a cinematic video, let me just import like a screen recording, which is fine as well. It's not that demanding on the hardware. And now as you have the video in here imported into the app, you can turn it into a still image if you want to, or you can turn it into a live photo. That's an option as well. Or you can turn it into a GIF. Now, when it comes to GIF, you have some options like you can make it quicker, you can make it slower. So this is what you can do. For example, if you make it very quick, it just moves up and down like that. So that's an option as well. You can make it very slow, and it's just going to be like a very slow GIF like this. But basically, you can turn a video into GIF using this app. I really like it. It works well. So when I save it like this, the video has been saved or the GIF has been saved. When I come back to the Photos app, you're going to notice that this is the GIF, right? And you can see that it's just kind of like a lower quality. This is what a GIF is supposed to look like. You don't have the option to edit it because it's a GIF. That's how it works. That's how you can convert videos, how you can make them, how you can turn them back into a GIF. So that's how it works. And if you want to know more about your iPhones, 100% join the Foxtecc educational platform, where you can watch courses. For example, I just dropped the Dynamic Island full course. If you plan on buying something like, I don't know, like iPhone 14 or 15, then definitely go ahead and just watch that. It's very useful. It is free to join, by the way. The link is below in the description. So go ahead and do that right now, and I'll wait for you inside. For now, thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later.